Hey, what is up you guys? It is Arnold over here, and of course I'm going to show you guys yet another reason why you do not paint your pool. You get this a lot. You get people who have Marblelite pools. They're looking for the most cost-effective option with regards to renovating their pool, and a lot of the times people are like, no, why don't we just paint the pool? I'll show you guys why not. Okay, but some backstory on this pool as well. Client was quoted to have this pool redone, was told it's going to be Marblelite, and actually what they ended up doing was simply painting it over with flow coat. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys now what this pool's current condition is. We're currently draining it, so check it out. Alright, so there's the pool. Okay, as you can see over here, this is like the hallmarks of flow coat that's currently peeling off. So the thing is, your paint does not bond to a Marblelite surface. You know, you can paint it as much as you want. It's always going to come out with the same effect, right? So as you can see over there, there's paint flaking off, and only thing that was virtually a resemblance to fiberglass was these mosaics, the tissue mosaics, if you will. So yeah, that just comes off, as you can see. And this pool will now be fiberglassed by us and then applied with a top coat layer after it has been resin, and that's essentially what you want to do to make sure that the pool is 100% in working order. Just hoping that you guys learned something, and when you are ever faced with a situation of renovating your pool, make sure that you never paint over Marblelite. Top coat only gets applied to a fiberglass pool. So your best bet will always be either re-Marbleliting a pool or converting to fiberglass. I'm sure based on our videos and what you guys have seen in the past, you guys know what our number one recommendation would be on that.